Yo, what's going on? My name's Nathan. I'm chilling and shit. I got bored, so I'm gonna make a YouTube video. What?
Why don't you tell them about the device, Nathan?
Device. Device? What? Oh, jeez. Some people.
I'll tell them your middle name.
What?
I'll tell them your middle name.
I'll kill you.
No, I'll kill you.
No.
No, come
Wait,
here.
stay away. No.
Don't run away from me, bruh. I'll kill you. Nathan has been temporarily, rude. Ow.
Ow. Ow. Ow. I can't feel my leg. Where's my shirt? Found it. It's alright. Anyway, yeah, I'm Nathan, and I hope you enjoyed being bored with me. And I hope you got a little bit of giggle. Peace.